Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Trends. I'm Silverbacked, and in today's video I'm going to go through the top 10. Just to let you know, just in our top 10 highest market cap, Sui has slipped down to 11th place, and Excellent rejoins or joins the top 10 at the number 10 spot. Just in case you are following those sort of things. Today I'm going to go through exactly what the positions are, whether we're neutral, whether we're long or whether we're short on the 1 day time frame. So hit the 1 day, and as usual, go in, hit Heikin, Ashi, and then basically we'll have this will actually tell us. Whoa! Finally, we've actually got a long call on Bitcoin. How good's that? That's taken forever. So we're finally going long. So what we do as we're going long, we slip around to the recent swing low, and we put our stop loss there. So basically, that is exactly what we're going to do for Bitcoin. So if I go into my chart, just drop that. Here we go. Go into my chart now. I'll have a look, see what I've got currently. I don't have Bitcoin in there currently. So what I'll do, well, it's actually on BTC right now, so that's good. So we want to go, as we did with all of our previous trades, I'm going 5x, just as a nice low sort of but leveraged position. Make sure it's isolated, not crossed. And then we look at the total equity in the account. So it's $115. So 11.5. 11.5 would be my permit position size. That's size 10% of my current holdings. There's been a couple of trades that have pulled back a little bit here. Yeah, $1.80. It's like stealing a little bit out of the total balance, but that's okay. Over time, we'll win. So we want to go. We're looking for when I open along, and the take profit level was. If I just click on that, hit that, and just copy that. So that's my stop loss position in case it moves against me completely. So that's a buy, take profit, stop loss, and you put the trigger, the stop loss down here, and we're going long. The amount cannot be less than the minimum amount. So there's probably a minimum on BTC. If you go down here, it says you got to have minimum order size is 0.001 BTC. So I'm going to have to go BTC quantity 0.001. How much is that? Minimum cost is 19.88. Okay, that's fair enough. I'm happy with that. Okay, so we've got our long position on, and then we already got a stop loss there. I haven't done a take profit because I'll just watch it as it goes. You know, this is the daily one day update, so we're going to be coming in here every day anyway. So and moving on to Ethereum next. Ethereum is staying amber, don't go in. It's got a wick above and below. It's too undecided. XRP is definitely a long, and I think we've actually got a position in that already. XRP, where are you? Here we go. XRP long, yeah. That's got 6.91% profit. Yeah, the stop loss hasn't changed on that, so no change on XRP. We're sitting in the long. BNB, I wouldn't touch it. There's wicks above and below that candle. Solana, again, wicks above and below. Don't touch it. Doge is a buy. I think it is a current buy. If I just go back to my chart here, yeah, I got a current buy Doge, and that's 1.55% in profit currently. Holding on to that. Stop loss has already been set. You can see it on the screen here. It's 22.76 cents. ADA is we're getting out of ADA. ADA is rolling over. That, you know, probably by tomorrow, if that candle keeps on going as it is, and then closes, I might actually be getting short. So let's make sure we are not in ADA. If we are, then just get out of it. So here we go. Here's ADA here. So it's turning over on us, so we're just going to close that. As it is a profit of 13%. So we're going closing that with a profit of 13. Now this is how we make. I mean, there's small gains, but like, you know, you want to take profit there if you're in a profit because it looks like it's rolling over. This is a daily chart. So it's not like a 1 hour or 4 hour. So you don't want to ignore that. So that is yellow because we're out of it. TRX is not, it's not a current short. It's actually got a wick above and below, so I'm going to say stay out of that one until we see how this candle resolves tomorrow. So TRX, if we've got a position in TRX, we've got to get out. Yeah, we do. Okay, that did move into loss quite quickly. Where was our take profit? Hang on, I'm just trying to think. Open orders. Our stop loss is 0.2495. 0.2495. That's definitely right. But I'm not going to wait till it gets there. I'm going to get out of it now because this is actually definitely moving against us, and it's actually moved into a negative profit. Anyway, so yeah, TRX. We're going to close that with that loss in mind. Okay, just cut our losses there. So TRX, Link is stay out of Link. It's got the wick above and below. XLM is a buy. Yeah, definitely a buy, and it just did move into the top 10. So that sort of makes sense. And then if I just grab this, so if we're buying here, we want to just basically just swing the swing low is just there. So I'm just going to grab the coordinates of that. So that's my stop loss. Copy. But just in case he does something stupid while I'm not watching between today and tomorrow, because I won't look at the charts until tomorrow. So that is XLM. So let's have a look. We don't have currently XLM because we've got SUI there. Just let me check. Yes, we're out of SUI. It's not part of our index anymore. And it's not in profit, so I'm going to close that. It's not part of our index, so that's the rules. It's the top 10, it's not the top 11, so I just closed that out. And coincidentally, look at this, we now got all three positions in profit. So we want to add, as I said, XLM now. So let's get into it. XLM. There we go, and then as that comes up, and we've already copied this stop loss level, and we're going to go long. All right. So XLM isolated. That's the right way. 20x. I want to drop that right down to 5. Oh, it's too fast. And we're going to go buy, and then put the stop loss that I just had on my clipboard there. So it's 0.301. Let me just double check that. Yeah, that's right. And we're going to buy, and then essentially what we're doing is buying $11.60, which is 10%. So I'll just go here, USD cost value. 11.6 is 10% of my account because there's 10, as I said, 10 positions open. Confirm. There we go. So the XLM position currently holds 10% of our total portfolio. And there is probably 60%, 65% of the portfolio that's sitting in USD. We could load up these positions and all that sort of stuff, but if we go full, because I've been through this before, if we go full bull market mode and all these assets are pumping, we'll need that $62 to go into another 6 assets that we're not currently in. Now obviously if things start turning over and rolling over and going down, we'll be able to go short, and we'll just be able to follow it as the price actually pans out on the chart. But basically that's it for today. If you do want to get into what do you call it, where is it, if you don't want to learn how to do this, you can go to where it says copy trading. You come into here and you basically just type in silver. That's if you want to find me, or pick another trader, and basically you can come in and go view. I've got a bit of a kick in the balls here because I was testing out with some 20x trades, and I was doing okay, and then I lost a bit, and then I was sort of just struggling a little bit still. We went backwards a little bit in the last day. So now I'm going to have some work to do to sort of like get that turning up and get back into the green. So yeah, but pick whichever trader you want. You know, these are my current trades, as you can see here. Again, I'm only sort of risking about 40% of the total amount of money that's in there currently. So yeah, that's basically it for today, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow with any updates on the trend of these top 10 assets. I mean, they're kicking off the day pretty green here, and if I'm looking at where we're sitting, you know, a lot of our stuff was short. Now everything's now long, so we actually were caught with most of our stuff short, while the market was changed around and went up. So of course we're going to have a losing day in the last 24 hours. But that's one day, you know. So the next few days, if we get a bit of a trend going where, you know, we have you know, something like this, 1, 2, 3. You know, if we've lost 0.5% or 1% today, and pick up 44% in 4 days, we're not going to be really complaining. So play it out. You've got to really give it some time, and I've got to make up some ground there, I know. So but yeah, a good challenge for me, so that's good. I really like it. So I'm happy with how everything's going. Really got the strategy dialed in, know exactly what I'm doing. And in 48 hours time too. Also, don't forget there is I do a weekly update, so that one is completely in the red, and I'm leaving it. I've set my stop losses, but the market is actually turning, because I can see it reflected in 80% of my short trades on the weekly. They haven't stopped out, but they're certainly being tested. They're completely in the red. So it looks like on Monday, so in 48 hours time from now, from my time, we're probably going to be turning into a bit of a bull phase. And it's just showing up in the trend on the charts on the daily and the 7-day. I've got a pretty unique perspective because I'm looking at both, and not just and also the top 10, plus also another chain as well. Yeah, so I'm not saying that we're actually in full bull mode, but I can say all my shorts are failing. So, and I'm going to be looking at them very, very closely in 48 hours basically. So I mean, I can even go in and I'll go in and have a look and see exactly how I'm positioned on the charts. With regard to the actual positions I've got, this is the account I've got, which is the it's actually I'm running out all these trades through a vault on Apex Omni. There's links you'll find, and I'm under silver on the Omni perps. And all these positions are all 1x, so they're actually got no leverage. So I'm actually managing a portfolio on a weekly chart basis based upon the Heikin Ashi method that I use with the leverage in the 1 day. And essentially this is how it looks. It's only like, actually there's 4 that are actually positive at the moment, whereas before there was only 2. It's a bit of a tricky market. Like, you really got to wait till these candles close before you make any decisions. I was actually just saying to you that, you know, it's starting like the market might be changing, and now out of 9 trades, 4 of them are now turned green that we're all short. So if the market shits itself right now, I'm in a position to, all my positions here are short. So look, I'm happy to reassess my position at the end of 48 hours. Anyway, that'll be coming up on Monday. But for today, that's it for today's video. And I'll if there's any other small little short-term, longs or shorts I might take on, I'll send it through the subscriber chat. Wherever you're watching, make sure you go down to the show notes. There is a subscriber chat through Substack. You just make sure you subscribe to that, and then any new threads I open up with any new trade ideas, you'll get them straight in there. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.